Let's do a different equation. And let's do this reaction. Okay? Magnesium plus oxygen yields 2 magnesium oxide. Okay? And you're going to have to know how to balance equations and things, right? Okay. So let's put in the, this is a solid, this is a gas, and this is a solid. Okay? This is magnesium. It's kind of a grayish, dull grayish color. Could be shined, I suppose. This is oxygen, obviously a gas, and this is a white chalky substance, magnesium oxide. You mix with water, right? It's a base anhydride. A metal oxide is a base anhydride. Remember, it'll be basic, okay? Right? It'll turn red litmus paper blue. Doesn't dissolve well. Very weakly soluble. All right, easy. If I take carbon dioxide and I put it with water, what does that make? What's a non-metal oxide called? Metal oxide is a base anhydride. A non-metal oxide would be a acid anhydride. You're thinking of the word alloy, it just kind of popped in your mind. An alloy is a mixture. Salt and water is a solution. It's a mixture, a homogeneous mixture, right? Yeah. An alloy
is between metals.
Yeah, two solids, two metals.
Like bronze. Two
transition metals, like bronze, brass, silver, amalgam, silver and mercury. Yeah.
I said halide.
Oh, halide you said, sorry.
Yeah, I got thrown off by the hydride.
Gotcha, understood. All right, so let's say I have 40 grams of this. How much of this am I going to get? Well, this is 24, right? Isn't magnesium 24? Isn't that the mass of magnesium? So that's going to be 48. This will be 80. Let's make that a nicer looking 8. Ever since I was a kid, I always struggled making an 8.
Wait, magnesium's mass is 12. So
Its mass is 12?
Yeah.
Of course, atomic number is 12.
Sorry, I was looking at the atomic number. Sorry.
That's okay. That's all right. So magnesium is 24 plus 16 is 40, right? Times 2 is 80. Okay. So what mass of this am I going to get if I have 40 grams of magnesium? It's an awful lot of magnesium. They're busy at work here, I'll add this. So I'm going to say 2 magnesium over 2 magnesium oxide, 48 over 80 equals 40 over x. X equals what? $3,200 divided by 48. What is it? 66. You get that? Does that make sense to you? Significantly less, right? And so is 67, right? Can we just say 67? Is that okay? We'll round it. Right? What is that called? What is that called, that 67? What type of yield is that called? That's called the theoretical yield, right? Theoretical. What happens if my actual yield was 40 grams? Which isn't a terrible difference. I mean, it's well within the realm of reality. What if I only got 40 grams? What would that 40 grams be called? the actual yield. This is going to be the theoretical yield. Is there a ratio that we could determine and call it something, or simply the yield is called what?
Percentage.
Well, you could say percentage yield, it's not a problem. I was going there actually. So it would be 40 over 67, which is what? What's 40 divided by 67?
0.60.
60.6?
Yeah, actually it's 0.597.
0.6 is fine. Okay? So the yield is 0.6, but oftentimes, more than not possibly, you say percent yield. Some people say the yield and they use it as a ratio. 0.6 would be fine. What would the percent yield be?
60%.
60%. Yes?
Oh, because the actual yield is
There's only 40.
so 6.
What we got was 67. That's the theoretical yield.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the percent yield. Easy? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, are we done? That good? Okay.